Top 10 phone repair in Oklahoma City. 1. 911 cell phone repair Midwest City, 5. 763 reviews, South Sooner Road B. 2. iFixandRepair Oklahoma City N.W Expressway, 5. 211 reviews, Northwest Expy. 3. iFixandRepair Oklahoma City Reno Avenue, 5. 209 reviews, West Reno Avenue. 4. Quick Phone Repair, 4.9 934 reviews, Northwest Expy. 5. WeCellPhones, 4.9 844 reviews, North Council Road. 6. Fast Brothers Phone Repair, 4.9 519 reviews, North Pennsylvania Avenue. 7. iFixandRepair Oklahoma City, 4.9 276 reviews, Interstate 240, Service Road. 8. Phone Doctors iPhone Repair and Cell Phone Repair OKC Edmond, 4.9 180 reviews, West Memorial Road. 9. Cellular Repair, 4.9 87 reviews, Northwest 23rd Street. 10. The Fix Phone Repair, Tablet Repair and Accessories, 4.8 1329 reviews, Northwest Expressway STE, 2067.